M-Tac presents the new Horizontal Organizer Elite Medium, which will ensure the order and safe storage of your things. Made of Cordura 500D, extremely durable and easy to care for material. The size of the organizer is 26 by 11 centimeters, with zippers from YKK, the world leader in the production of accessories. The utilitarian organizer is additionally equipped with reflective straps with a mill standard sling handle for convenient and reliable use. On the outside, there is a Velcro panel for an ID or patch. The bottom is equipped with a nylon mesh 320 grams per meter squared, which acts as a drainage eyelet and provides quality ventilation. One large, horizontal compartment opens 180 degrees and is designed for convenient storage of things, suitable for storing and transporting your equipment, clothing, weapon accessories, medicines, a marching tool kit, an EDC kit, and other items that should always be on hand. The M-Tac Utilitarian Organizer Elite Medium will take care of your comfort under any circumstances.